Is Forza Horizon 6 stuck on syncing data or showing can't sync data with cloud right now on Xbox Game Pass PC? This issue can prevent the game from launching or loading your saved progress. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix cloud syncing problems in Forza Horizon 6 on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, open the Start menu. Open the Xbox app. Click on your profile icon. Select Support. Click on Gaming Services Repair tool. Press Start Repairing. Press Yes. Wait for the Xbox app to be repaired. Now close the Repair tool.
First, open the Start menu. Type WS Reset. Click on WS Reset. Wait for the Microsoft Store to be repaired. Now your store should be fixed.
First, open the link that you will find in the description of this video. Expand downloadable version. Click on Download the Gaming Services Repair tool. Wait for the Repair tool to be downloaded. Double-click the Repair tool. Press Yes. Wait for the Repair tool to scan your system. If the Repair tool worked, type Y. Press Enter to close it.